What a beautiful rainy day to pick up a lawn tractor. Yeah, wet t-shirt contest. But let's go. Anyway, listen, check this out. I just picked up this Husqvarna lawn tractor with the Kohler, not cracked. Don't worry. Gonna get the BG fitting from Bergen's garage. And yeah, my question to you is, this is a triple bagger, right? This tube like doesn't fit like correctly, right? So like if it's a triple bagger, is the tube like wider? Talk to me, tell me what's going on here. Or do I need to order a new piece, or let me know. As far as like if this is correct and just this is just worn and blown out and rinky dinky. But yeah, runs and mows. I mean, it just needs the Pate's Performance touch. Quick little video because I need to go run out and grab another one. It's raining, so we can't work, so we're just gonna bye. All right guys, appreciate it. Let me know in the comments about that bagger thing. Later.